Shell-based oil produces XGS, a top-notch lubricant currently available on the consumer market. Using slurry oil to produce compounding agents for tires, and becoming the first oil refinery company in Korea to establish an oil terminal. Hyundai Oilland continues to enhance its competitiveness by launching into overseas energy projects and new petrochemical industries. Hyundai Oilland continues its journey into the wider world by boosting its competitiveness. Not only has the company established a new plant every year since 2010 and successfully written the legend of one-shot startup successes, it has